Alright guys, here's what I got finished the other day. You remember that side, got it done. Finished this side. I figured I'd give you a quick, I've thrown this on Instagram, but thought I'd give you a quick overview of how these welds turned out. They all very consistent, very small. You can see the size of my fingertip there. That's my pinky finger, so they're pretty small. Those are quarter-inch holes. And then, of course, my stack of BBs there. So I'm getting ready to grind that off, and we'll see what it looks like. It's going to be a little bit low in here and there places because it's been drawn down. Also under here, you can see maybe it dropped. It had this little drop here, and then it came back up. Well, I had to push this metal down to contour to that, which is fine. It doesn't matter. It just is what it is. They only put that on the this outside. They didn't put this thing on the inside like that. So, but anyway, I got to shape this up a little bit better. Cut this little area out. You can see I went ahead and tacked all this in. And so once I get that ground down, I'll take this all back off, flip it back over, put it on the table, and finish up welding the undersides of this area here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll bring you back. Alright, there it is. Got all those little BBs off there. You can still see a little bit of the low spots, which is no big deal. I'm just going to spray epoxy over that and be happy. If you wanted to, you could put some filler in there, but this is never going to be seen. It's going to be covered with whatever inner liner stuff that you put in your trunk. It'll get several coats of epoxy. I don't think I'll even probably prime, high build any of this inside here. I'll probably just shoot it. I may run. And the only reason I would use fiberglass is not to fill pinholes. I think I've said this before because there's no pinholes in this. Is to smooth that out. If I wanted to smooth that out to where it was perfectly smooth like the rest of this panel here that didn't get welded on, I could do that. But I don't really see any need for it right there. So it'll just get epoxied and be done. So yeah. Alright, see you.